You guys will look at the bike real quick. I'm just like attracting water right now. I got the Luna seat. Everybody just looks at you weird on a bike in the rain. Oh, nice AMG, bro. Random fact of Fort Walton Beach, if anybody in Fort Walton Beach is watching this, that water tower has a What's up, everybody? As you can hear and as you can probably see, it's raining. I don't have the main mic on, but there comes a day in everybody's life, I guess, if you own a motorcycle or a dirt bike or enduro, whatever it is, but there comes a day when you must ride in the rain. You can avoid it a lot of the days, most of the time, but there comes a day when you're forced to take that ride. Today we're going to be taking that ride on the, like I said, the Surron X Electric dirt bike. The audio is going to be a little bit different than it usually is, probably won't be as good. That's just because I am not using my normal mic because it's raining, but the GoPro does well sometimes when it's just the GoPro, so we'll see. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, drop down, like, comment, share, subscribe, join the rides, join the family, join the crew, and don't forget to follow me here on TikTok. Whew, this is gonna be a good one. Let's do it. All right, I don't really know how today's ride's gonna go. Does that look about right? Does that look about right? Let's go like that. How does that? See, like I said, we got a rain jacket. We got all that on. And we're going to take these back roads. We're going to test out Surron in the rain. I've never really like directly driven in the rain in this thing, so I'm kind of interested. I've heard it does fine. I know it does good on back trails and muddy trails and stuff like that, but yeah, no crazy riding. You don't want to ride crazy in the rain. You don't want to... You want to be careful, basically. You want to be careful. But if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. We do stuff like this. We go ride. Things are about to make a big change very soon, next week. If you've been around, I've been trying to sell my house, and actually next week they moved the closing date forward, so it's going to be a quicker sell, which is crazy. I did not expect that to happen, but I'm happy it did. And we're going to be getting out of the house, out of this neighborhood. Probably staying, my home base is going to be in the same area, but I can't tell you exactly what, but the secret's going to be good. Dun, 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 dun. So yeah, we're just running some errands. I had to get out. I had to go do this. Whether it's raining or not, the bills do not wait. Life does not stop. Just because it's raining and you chose to ride a motorcycle for your transportation. So here we are. We're taking the consequences of that action today. Which is cool because I enjoy this. It's just fun. Get out and go for a good ride. I mean, it's basically a dirt bike, so it has no problem in the rain. You just have to be careful. That's the big thing, is being careful. Yeah, let's knock off the goggles. I try to never wipe my goggles because it just makes them smear. But yeah, don't drive like I drive. Okay? Roll on the throttle easy, don't gun it. Just Give yourself enough time to slow down without sliding. Whoa, gotta love the squeaky brakes in the rain. And give yourself enough time to slow down before turning, that way you don't slide, or just be extra careful of the traction. All right, here we go. Oh, cool. Yeah, so we're basically halfway there, and no problems yet. No problems yet. Bike runs very, very smooth. No issues. I like this rain jacket though. Make sure you pick up, if you're riding a bike and use it for your transportation, make sure you pick up like a rain jacket or something. Something just to throw on that will keep you relatively dry. We're almost there. I gotta cross the road here, and I will see you guys on the other side. Then we're gonna be having a good ride back. Give you guys a look at the bike real quick. Just like attracting water right now. So this is the bike. I got the Luna seat. It helps out a lot. Way, way, way better than the stock seat. So I hope this lens does pretty good. The GoPro 10 is supposed to have a special coating on the front of the lens, which keeps it from getting rain droplets that get stuck on the lens. It's supposed to be like hydrophobic. So that's cool. Let me know. Well, I guess I'll see it when I edit it, but let me know if you guys notice a difference. Hopefully you do. That's like the most annoying thing ever, when you're watching a video and the person like never wipes the lens, or they just have like this one random dot of water that covers like the part that you want to watch. So that's pretty cool that they added that. Yeah, I'm relatively dry, honestly. All right, we're here at the bank. And I'm going to pause this video because there's absolutely zero interest sitting here. Huh? Am I just gonna go the opposite way? All right, we're done with the bank. Time for me to find some food. Time for me to find some food, put in my belly. Yo, I need some no fog goggles. They're like, that would be great. And some pads that don't squeak in the rain, that would be sweet too. So far, the rain riding experience really is not bad at all. Just kind of watching out for people a little bit more, and kind of riding smooth. It's just a normal ride. The rain's getting kept out by this jacket pretty well, and it's long enough to keep the fishtail at bay from going down your crack, the water. Which is good. Take this time, hit the stop sign brake. Just drop down, hit the subscribe button, join the channel. We're almost to a big milestone, so I appreciate everybody showing love. Showing some love to the channel. Right, are you gonna go or you're not gonna go, lady? I need you to go if you're gonna go. Yep. And or am I? All right. So I have 436 miles on the bike so far, and I've had absolutely a total of 0 issues with the bike. So far so good. I drove it through rain, mud. This is basically a good little shower, good little rainstorm. No issues. I am thinking on getting the seat extender though, because that'll help a lot. Here we go. Yeah, get the seat extender, bring the seat up just a little bit, and then probably a batteries, brakes, and controller upgrade. That's about it. Maybe a set of supermotos down the road. That'd be fine. So, who knows? Who knows what's gonna happen? For the moment, I just enjoy where it's at. Did you know, random fact of Fort Walton Beach, if anybody in Fort Walton Beach is watching this, that water tower has a random rose at the top of it. Just one rose, a red rose, that I guess the guys that were putting it up, they just decided, hey, I'm gonna put one rose on the top of this thing. I saw it when I was flying my drone one day. So, random fact. I don't know why that was necessary, but why not? Pulling in, and who knows, maybe in the next ride I'll be able to reveal the big secret. We'll see. Until then, yo, I did not get Burger King. What the hell? I gotta get some Burger King, bro. See, that's what ADHD, Jesus freaking Christ. Okay, the ride has been extended. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a line in the parking lot. Everybody just looks at you weird on a bike in the rain. I live in Florida, so the fact that I live in Florida now means like it's hot. We basically have 2 seasons. We have scorching summer and then February. And like if I mean February's okay, but it's not the best. Oh, nice AMG, bro. Hell yeah. Hope that's clear. If it's not, I'm sorry. It's like the best I can. You know what? I might just DoorDash. We're gonna do that. We just gonna DoorDash. Just gonna DoorDash, yeah. Something like special that I'm wanting from there. I don't feel like waiting 20 or 30 minutes. for a Burger King burger. No offense, Burger King. No offense. I do like a good Burger King. But I'd rather have something good to put in my belly than something nasty. So we'll just finish out the ride with a good little cruise back to the house. Good little cruise back to the house. Let's go this way. Let's avoid the puddle. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna DoorDash. I'll see you guys in the next ride. Like I said earlier, it might be the big surprise. We'll know. Put in the next couple videos to see, but definitely gonna be a big surprise. Peace. Oh man, it's... I love you guys.